need a blank canvas. This is definitely a two-person job. I don't know, I'll weigh it up. Alright. Oh, I'm having flashbacks to my childhood at Christmas time. I love it. Welcome or welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're doing a balcony makeover. This space is very much a dumping ground for a lot of stuff. Got a lot of empty pots without plants over here. I do actually have a whole pile of soil here, which is a new addition to the dumping ground of the balcony. So I wanted to do this makeover so that we have a nice little space to sit outside, enjoy Montreal summer, and you know, just hang out. But the first thing that I need to do is I need to clear the space. I need a blank canvas to figure out exactly what I'm going to do. Let's get to cleaning and removing everything, and then we can talk decor and ideas.
I've been deep down, stuck in the gutter. I've been off the grid for days. I've been lost just trying to forget her, but I wake up and nothing's changed. I've been gone down, lost in the letters, trying to get back into place. I've been losing ground in the lost and found, 'cause I let it slip away. Now it all has gone to waste, and this freedom just left me haunted, and all my reasons start to fade. 'Cause I thought it wasn't worth it, yeah, I thought it was too late. I was so burned out, trying to ease my mind like there was nothing left to save. I'll say it now.
The balcony is definitely looking a lot emptier, which is great, but we're going to move on to moving into some bamboo. So I got this from Wayfair actually. It was surprisingly difficult to find this at a reasonable price. The best price I could find was at Wayfair at the time that I was looking. It was also sort of just coming into summer, so there's I think a lot more stuff out now. But essentially I'm going to cover along this part, the full length, and then around the rest of the railings. From here onwards, going around, I'll just be covering the railing section. This is the update. I think it's looking really good. There's definitely still some stuff I need to do. So like over here, this bit is quite loose. What I'm wanting to do is actually affix it to this wooden piece here. So I think I'm gonna try and pop another wood piece behind and then attach it so that it's got support going all the way up. So maybe like a 1x2 or something like that. And then that's looking relatively neat over there, which is great. That ignore that. Over here my hand just gave up cutting about here, so I still need to cut that, but all in all it's looking really good, except look at this tiny little gap here. I almost had enough. It was so close to fitting flush to here. There's just like, I don't even know what that is, like 15 centimeters or something off, which is kind of annoying. That's okay. I've got a big plant we can pop here, so I think it'll make it look good. But you know, it's the difference of this space or me paying like another $86 to buy another roll of this, which to me makes absolutely no sense. At some point maybe I'd replace the bamboo on this side, like the tall part, with something that vines could grow on, but given that I live in Montreal, half the year you can't really grow anything. I don't know, I'll weigh it up. Alright, but for the most part we are done with the bamboo, except for those little details. I might get my partner to do it because I don't want to. You guys might notice something a little different up here. I've put in my outdoor lounge. So this is one that I DIY'd, and if you missed that video, I put that up last week, so I'll link it above for you and you can definitely go and check that out. And there's a couple of other additions. My partner and I repotted or potted some plants, so I'll show you those now because I think they look really pretty. There are more plants to come, but for now I'll show you the ones that we've got. We've got these guys here and they are evergreen, so they're, I think, both spreading junipers. Well, actually they look different. I'll have to check with my partner what the other one is, but they're both evergreens anyway, which is good because we live in Canada. Then over here we have, oh, I'm getting in the light, we have another one. Now this one's apparently super poisonous and it is a yew, so that one's over there. Oh yeah, and these are the pots as well. I think they're really pretty. HomeSense, got them from HomeSense. And then that's the pot for that one. Then we also have, look at this, big bird of paradise, looking super fun, and a very sad Newton, wondering why I'm outside without her. Sorry, baby. So they're the plants, and now we need to pop down an outdoor rug, which I hope it fits. I measured, so we're gonna pop the rug down. I'm gonna have to jimmy this lounge a little bit, but I think it's about time we add a rug to this space. So I got this rug from Wayfair, I believe, and it was on sale, which is part of the reason I bought it, and the other reason is because I thought it was real pretty. It's got some terracotta-y type tones in it, some pinks and oranges, and it's got like a geometric-y pattern going on.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you.
But I can't open my eyes because I'm looking directly at the sun. No. You guys, I'm obsessed. I love this rug. I'm so happy I bought it. It's so warm and bright and wonderful and just so pretty. I think it's perfect. A little bumpy at the moment, but it'll even out because it's been rolled up for a while. Alright, let's get some lights up. I have this box here of little light bulbs, and this is a solar panel. Not 100% sure how I'm going to attach this yet. I need to figure that out. But the good thing is with this solar panel you can actually plug it in as well and charge it that way. So I did do that just to have it extra charged. So we need to pop up the lights, and to pop the lights up I found these outdoor command hooks from Home Depot specifically for string lights. That is a perfect sign that I should be popping up some lights. There's a lot more of them than I thought there would be. Oh, I'm having flashbacks to my childhood at Christmas time.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arm. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding, liking for you.
The lights are up. I think I'm happy with it, which is good because I don't think they're going anywhere. I did put the solar panel in with the yew. Now my partner may say, hey, we probably shouldn't put it in there because that plant is kind of poisonous, but I think it's only poisonous if you eat it, not if you touch it. Anyway, we'll find out, but I've put it in there, so we're going to turn the lights on. It is obviously daytime, so I will give you a proper view of them at night when I show you the before and afters, but I think it's looking real good. It is on, very small light. And also I think my landlord's put these up. They kind of like go under the stairs because that leads down to the basement area. So I've got them wrapped around the pole here, and then we've got some loopy loops going along there, and then it wraps around that pole down that side as well. As far as other plants go, I've got a couple of little baskets which we're going to hang from the front of the railings here, and in them we've got some purple flowers and some pink flowers, and the purple ones are campanula. They're like full sun or shade, nice and easy. And then we've also got the, I'm going to butcher this, Pelargonium angel, so it's also called mosquito away nova. So I've got that as well to keep away the mosquitoes. And lastly we have some Spanish lavender here. I really like lavender. I just think it's pretty and smells nice. So that's the only one that I still need to pot, so I'm going to repot that one into this pot here, and then the others are ready to be put into their place.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
This corner might be the place to pop the lavender. However, if I do put it there, it does mean that there is a lot of symmetry going on. So there's kind of a pot in each corner and then the two planters at the front. So it may change, but I'm going to pop it there for now while I think about it, or decide to buy more plants just to, you know, balance everything out. And we're going to pop it in this little metal stand. Fun fact for you though, on one of these chairs a squirrel started eating it. I love squirrels, they're so weird. Look right here, took a big old nibble out of my chair. It does need a bit of a clean, I will do that. But look at that, giant nibble. There is only one thing that I can think of that is missing from this, other than, you know, people and having a cheese board to snack on, and that is to have a little table so that we can put that cheese board right on there. I think I'm going to DIY it. So let's head down into my basement and we are going to DIY a little table for this space. To make my outdoor table for the balcony, I have 4 pieces of a 2x8 at 14 inches high. There's 4 pieces because I want the width of the table to be double. So that's the legs on one side will sit like that. And then here I've got the same 2x8 and they are at 40 inches. The first step for building it, other than obviously cutting and sanding your wood, is that I'm actually going to join these together with some glue and some pocket holes for the legs and also for the top. Once that's done, then I will attach them to each other.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
We need to get this bed bench stained, but a quick little update. You may notice that it is somewhat shorter than it was before. I actually took up the, I think it was 40 inches in length. I took that upstairs just to see how it would look. And if I had a slightly bigger balcony, perfect. Would have loved it. However, I don't have a slightly bigger balcony. And we still need to have a little bit of a walkway from the door down the stairs. So I made it smaller, and I made it small enough so that I can tuck it to the side of the couch. Anyway, we're gonna get the stain on now, and it is the same stain that I used for the couch in the color dark mahogany. We need to get a top coat on this so I can get it outside and have everything all set up. I'm going to start with the bottom because it's just going to be easier once I've done underneath, then I can flip it over and do it on top. And I will end up doing 2 coats of the top coat, and I'm using that same spa urethane that I used on the outdoor lounge. It's oil based and it's just an outdoor top coat essentially, so it's just going to help protect from weather and all of that kind of stuff. I'm so excited. Let's get it done.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now,
Oh yeah, that's the goods. Okay. Oh, the sun is in my eyes. Definitely very happy that I made this bench smaller. It's now perfect, so it fits well in here. Also, it means I can tuck it right in here, like so. I can go. So we can tuck in here, which is very good. It means that we have a clear walkway when we need it, and we can pull the table out when we have people over. Everything looks so good. Let's take a little look at the before and afters. I know I remember how awful it was, so I feel like you guys need to be reminded because it's looking pretty good right now. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, and the like button. And you can definitely check me out on Instagram as well and say hello. I'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye. I love it so much. It's so pretty. I'm gonna reveal it to my partner.
They're closed.
Open and just stay there. Do you remember what it looked like?
Yes.
Trash, 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 trash. Alright, and open.
C'est tellement nice.